Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, daytime running lights, tires front all season, four-wheel disc brakes, tires rear all season, keyless entry, security system, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.